Good morning, Mike here, also known as the Fresh Rinse. Mike's Pressure Washing, Trenton, Ohio. I have a product review for you. All right. Well, it's Saturday. I have been away for a week caring for my father in Virginia alongside my brother and my sister. My father has cancer, and we just don't know what the future may hold. I got home last night, and I have some boots. Those Huck boots came in, and let's take a quick look. In a recent video, I did a little review on the Huck boots compared to the pelagic boots that I have purchased over the years. You might remember in that video that they were just simply too small. I purchased them small because the pelagic boots run really big. Now I'm learning that the Huck boots run equal to the size that you would normally wear in any shoe or boot. After returning the Huck boots, I realized that they then were running a special, so I purchased 2 sets of the size 10, having returned the size 8. So here we have the new size Huck boot in size 10. With the special that they were running, I got 2 sets shipped for about 128, 130 bucks, something like that. So I'm going to try these on and we'll see if they fit. Don't go anywhere. Okay, these are the size 10 with my new pants, and I absolutely love them. They feel perfect. The size 8s were so tight that they were constricting my feet like a boa constrictor, wrapped around my torso all the way down to my ankle region in such a fashion that it was cutting off all circulation. My head was about to pop like a big cherry on top of a cake, as if you would ever put a cherry on top of a cake, because cherries go on ice cream, and I got my illustrations mixed up. So the true test, as always, is how they feel when you're Yeah, I'm really liking these. Let me encourage you, if you buy the Hucks, go ahead and buy them at the size that you would normally wear. That being said, they only sell whole sizes. Is that the correct terminology? They do not sell half sizes. So I'm going to dig these, I'm quite sure. I just realized that that pop like a cherry thing was not the best illustration that Pastor Mike could be using. That being said, it's been said and done. Hey, I'm doing something different with these. I'm going to kind of do a little test. Everyone's telling me that these Huck shoes begin to crack right through here and maybe back along the sides. So here's what I vow to do. For the duration of these shoes, as long as I can possibly wear them, every single day, I'm going to spray them with Armor All. At the end of every day, I'm going to spray them down and wipe them with Armor All. All right, and we're going to see how long they last. All right, I'm going to put a link in the description for these boots. Again, these are the Huck boots, and they sell them in a variety of colors. These blue, which match well with my outfit, they sell the cheapest. And the last time I checked, which was about 2 weeks ago when I ordered these, they were running these on special for $62 or $63 a pair. And I think I got free shipping. So, all right, there you have it. Hey, I really appreciate you watching. Mike here, Mike's Pressure Washing, Trenton, Ohio, also known as the Fresh Rinse. I plan to start washing in 2 weeks. I'm super excited about that. I have the month of March completely booked if weather holds out. So, all right, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell tab if you'd like to be alerted to future videos. That's my regular rant. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thanks again. Bye-bye.